Life in Scottsdale means sunshine, desert beauty, and warm weather nearly year-round. But with those perks also comes a challenge: dust. Between monsoon winds, desert breezes, and the city's naturally dry climate, windows in Scottsdale homes often collect dirt quickly. For busy homeowners, keeping windows spotless can feel like a constant chore. The solution? Choosing low-maintenance windows designed to handle the dusty climate with minimal upkeep. Vinyl windows. Durable and easy to clean vinyl is one of the most popular window materials for Scottsdale homeowners because it's both cost-effective and low maintenance. Why they work? Vinyl doesn't require painting, staining, or sealing. The smooth surface resists dust buildup and is easy to wipe clean. Extra perk. Vinyl frames are energy efficient, helping to block desert heat from entering your home. For homeowners looking for a practical option that balances performance with affordability, vinyl windows are a solid choice. Fiberglass windows. Strength meets longevity. Fiberglass windows are another excellent option for Scottsdale's climate. They're built to last and require very little care over the years. Dust resistance. The material is smooth and non-porous, so dust and dirt don't stick easily. Low upkeep. Fiberglass resists warping, fading, and cracking, even in Arizona's intense heat. Design flexibility. They can mimic the look of wood while offering much simpler maintenance. Fiberglass windows are ideal for homeowners who want a combination of durability, low upkeep, and high-end aesthetics. Aluminum windows with modern coatings. Aluminum windows have come a long way from older versions that required frequent maintenance. Modern aluminum frames feature powder-coated finishes that resist scratches and fading. Why they work in Scottsdale? They hold up well against dusty winds and high temperatures without warping. Easy cleaning. A quick wipe down restores their shine. Slim frames. Aluminum allows for larger glass panes, giving you more natural light and views of the desert landscape. These windows are perfect for contemporary Scottsdale homes where a sleek, modern style is desired. Casement and awning windows. Less dust inside while window material matters. The style of the window can also influence maintenance. Casement and awning windows, which open outward, create a tighter seal compared to sliding or single-hung designs. Better sealing. Tighter seals reduce the amount of dust that sneaks indoors. Convenient cleaning. Many casement windows open wide, allowing you to clean both sides of the glass from inside your home. For homeowners frustrated by constant dust on interior sills, these styles can make a big difference. Double-pane glass with easy clean features. In dusty climates like Scottsdale's, the glass itself can be the toughest part to maintain. Choosing advanced glass options can simplify upkeep. Double-pane or triple-pane glass not only improves energy efficiency but also provides smoother surfaces that resist grime buildup. Self-cleaning glass coatings. Some windows come with special coatings that break down dirt when exposed to sunlight, making it easier for rain, or even a quick rinse, to wash it away. This feature is especially useful during Scottsdale's monsoon season when dust storms leave windows coated in residue. Low-maintenance design tips. Beyond material and glass choices, consider these tips to make your windows even easier to maintain. Neutral frame colors hide dust better than darker shades. Larger panes with fewer grids mean less surface area to clean. Professional installation ensures tight seals that keep dust infiltration to a minimum. Final thoughts. In Scottsdale's dusty desert climate, keeping windows clean and functional can be a challenge. But with the right materials, like vinyl, fiberglass, or modern aluminum, and smart design choices such as casement styles or self-cleaning glass, you can significantly cut down on maintenance. Investing in low-maintenance windows not only saves time but also helps your home stay cooler, cleaner, and more comfortable year-round. For busy Scottsdale homeowners, it's the perfect way to enjoy the views without the constant hassle of upkeep.